Hello everyone, good day. It's Sunday and only today I found time to fly.
Take off.
Yeah, pretty sad stuff that I was working during the weekend, but at least now, and the weather was really bad, so I couldn't actually fly yesterday. But now I'm gonna fly all three of my batteries down to 60%,
Take off.
which is basically storage voltage. And we'll see how it goes. My video, oh yeah, I prefer to show, let's actually see. It's my Mini. Now I want 4K. It's a bit dark outside. 4K 25. Now 4K 30 is fine. Yeah. Alright.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
There's my ugly ass. I'm soon gonna be like transforming myself, like cutting my hair and all that shit, but these days, yeah. Sweet. Alright, let's do this. Yo, my heart just started beating real fast. What's going on here? There's another goalie here, so they're using the whole freaking thing. But I'm not gonna piss these guys off, because last time I noticed that they noticed me and it wasn't really good. Besides, I only have to fly my battery to 60% and then go to my other battery. So this time I'll go and I'll check out what's happening on the road first, because it's quite dark and stuff here. As you can see, the weather is real bad. It was raining all this time. Yeah, the visibility over Sofia is not really good. Thank God there's not wind and shit. Let's check what's happening on the other side. I hope it's not freaking raining. Very interesting, the home point, what it's showing me. Can't even see the airport. I don't even think planes are allowed to land when it's like so. Probably are allowed to land, but it's like, damn. It's real dirty, that pool these days. Yeah, I'm not gonna go all the way down there to Kaufland like I usually do, 1.5 kilometers away. I know that my Mini 2 can do it. I'm just flying for fun, just exploring some shit nearby. And then I'm gonna come back and land at 60% because, wow, so many cars. I'm gonna land at 60% because I got another 2 batteries to do that too. That makes me, it's like storage voltage, so makes me feel safe. Let's actually see, there was another field down here, a little one. Yeah, there it is. There's no one on there now though. Okay, let's come back because we're almost at 70%. Bring down our altitude. That thing where the altitude shows wrong on the new Air 2S, that is so scary, eh? Because I rely on like this stuff. I mean, I look at it. Yep, now I can come home and land. Oh, that was a cool flight. I usually get to 20 meters here and I make it over these trees. So if this is wrong, it will really, it's not good. This has to be. Sweet. Yeah, I guess 65% is cool. There's a little kid looking at me, so I feel shy to wave at my drone. Sweet. Bye guys. Oh well, now I can wave. Bye.